pleasant good morning to all of us. By the way, I am Alnor Malihun Marcel, and in this morning, I will be discussing what is hydrogen atom spectrum. So, what is hydrogen atom spectrum? So, hydrogen atom spectrum, refers to the set of specific wavelengths or colors that the hydrogen atoms emit or absorb when their electrons move from a higher level. Unlike white lights, it shows a continuous rainbow. So, hydrogen, it produces a line spectrum, distinct, sharp line at a specific wavelength. When we say emission, so it is seen when excited hydrogen atoms, it releases energy. It appears as a bright color line in a dark background. When we say also absorption spectrum, it is seen when hydrogen atoms absorb light. It appears as a dark color line and a continuous spectrum. The question is, why does the hydrogen atom have a line spectrum? So it because when the electrons absorb energy, it jumps to a higher energy level. So when the electrons also releases its energy, it loses to a lower energy level. As what you can see in that image shows the energy levels of diagram of the hydrogen atom and explain how the hydrogen emission spectrum is formed through electron transmission. So, as what you have observed, the horizontal green line, that line represents allowed energy levels of hydrogen electron. The symbol N is the principal quantum number. The higher N, the higher energy level. So the downward arrow here, that that arrows each arrow shows an electron falling from the higher energy to a lower energy, as what I have said a while ago. So when this happen, so that the atoms emit energy as light or a photon. So the length of the arrows shows how much energy is released. So here is the summary of that. So the longer the arrow, the more energy, and the shorter the wavelength. The shorter the arrow, the less energy, and the longer the wavelength. The main formula of hydrogen spectrum is the Rydberg formula. So, the Rydberg formula is used to measure the wavelength of light emitted or absorbed by a hydrogen atom. To use the Rydberg formula, we will go on into some problem solving. So here is our problem. Calculate the wavelength of light emitted when an electron in hydrogen falls from n is equals to 3 to n is equals to 2. So since we're already given the Rydberg constant, which is the R, is equals to 1.09.7 times 10 raised to 7 meters negative 1. So first thing to do is we're going to write first the formula. 1 over lambda is equals to R, cross an open parenthesis, 1 is equals to N1 to 2 minus 1 over 2 and 2. So, for seconds, we're going to substitute. To substitute this one, we're going to copy the Rydberg formula, 1.097 times 10 raised to 7. And our N1 is 2. 1 is equals to 2 over 2 minus 1. And our N2 is 3. 3 is equals to 2. So, so our so the our n1 and n2, we're going to minus to subtract that one. So to minus that one, so we got the final answer. So 0.139. So now we're going to substitute that one. So 1.097 times 10 raised to 7 times 0.139 is equals to 1.52 times 10 raised to 6. So we have already our lambda. So the third thing to do is to solve the wavelength. So the formula, so to solve the wavelengths, or we have already the value. So 1 is equal 1 over 1.52 times 10 raised to 6, we're going to divide that one. So 1 over 1.52 times 6 times 10 raised to 6 is equals to 656 nanometers. So that's the final answer. That's all, and thank you so much.